Hey y'all, welcome to Homemade with Linda. Tonight I'm doing another After Dark Clean with Me. I'm going to be vacuuming and mopping my kitchen and dining area. I'm going to be using the Shark vacuum that I got about a month ago, and I was also going to be using the Shark Steam Mop that I got at the same time I got the vacuum. And they're both so wonderful to use, and I love how they work. And if y'all are needing some motivation, I've got it for you here. Maybe y'all just want to see how the products work. Either way, I hope you enjoy the video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you would subscribe. So thanks for watching, and let's get going. Now I'm using the Shark Steam Mop, and this thing is really awesome, y'all. I didn't think I would like it, honestly, as much as I do, but I really do. All you do is you fill the reservoir with distilled water, and it's water and steam that cleans your floor. And as you push forward on the mop, it pushes the handle down, which releases the heat and the steam onto your floor, and that's how it cleans it. And that's all it is. It's just really, I can't say enough good things about this, to be honest. And no, this isn't sponsored or anything in any way. I'm really loving this Shark Steam Mop. I'm finding things to mop just because I have it. Um, so if you don't have one, check into getting one because they are really awesome and they're worth the money. Let me show y'all what this cleaning pad looks like when you're finished. As you can see, it got a lot up off my floor. This is pretty gross. But all you have to do with this is you just have to throw it in the washing machine, and that'll clean it right up. And so you'll get multiple uses out of this. And that's all you have to do. Just throw it in the washing machine, and it's good to go for the next time. Couldn't be any easier than that. No mop water to pour out, no mop head to squeeze out. That's it. Just take that off and throw it in the washing machine. I want to thank y'all for watching this video. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you would subscribe. Y'all take care, and we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.